guys, welcome back to Sissy Spaces, and thanks for being here. In today's video, I'm giving our garage a quick reset and updating you on a major home renovation project we've scheduled for this summer. To start, here are some before shots of the garage, and once done cleaning and organizing it, I'll share an after. So I hope you enjoy this one, and if so, at the end of the video, please remember to like, subscribe if you're new, comment, and share. Also, using your phone, please hype this video, and the hype button is located to the right of the like button. Three years ago, the family and I cleaned, decluttered, and organized this garage, along with the shed out back, disposing of, donating, or trashing over 75% of the items in here. And since then, each year, the only thing I need to do is deep clean and organize it. And to simplify the process, I always start by placing all items in the center. But of course, first I need to clean it. As you can see, while I'm inside cleaning the garage, hubby's outside doing his own version of cleaning as well. But really, hubby's mowing the lawn today because later we're expecting our seasonal pre-emergent service from Mr. Turf. And by mowing ahead of time, it clears any debris and ensures the herbicide reaches the soil where it forms a protective barrier. Along with placing all items in the center first, I've also divided the garage into 3 distinct areas, and we'll clear and clean each area before moving on to the next. As a person who suffers from severe anxiety, this method of cleaning alleviates any unnecessary stress and allows me to see my progress each step of the way, which motivates me to continue. My biggest fear when cleaning this garage is encountering any pests. I did surprise a lizard as well as a spider, but it seemed as if they were more afraid of me. And I also found a garden snake that I plan to share with you later. This crate was full of cobwebs, so before placing it in the center, I wanted to remove them. And although not shown, I also removed a lot of cobwebs from some additional items, as well as around the windows, in the corners, and behind the cabinets. And as you're about to see, clearing just one of the 3 areas has already made a significant difference in this garage. I also forgot to mention that I found a frog, but it was unalive. And last year behind this rolling tool chest, I found tons of mouse droppings, which is a primary indicator of a rodent problem. So we immediately contacted the exterminator, and we haven't had any rodent problems since. Is where I found the snake stuck in the Trapper Max glue board. At first I was so afraid of touching it, fearing the snake would move. But after looking at it for a while, it seemed to be unalive. So I tried to show it to you real fast, but I was in such a hurry to trash it that you probably didn't see it. But for those that did see it, leave a comment. Area down, which means there's only 2 to go. And this area is going to be an easy one because there are fewer items to move in the center and a lot of cleaning is not needed. But I will spend some time organizing the cabinets while also dusting them and the half wall beneath them. Last year, I organized these cabinets, placing all of his car lubricants in the first one, highly used items in the third cabinet, and any items remaining in the second. By the way, for those that are new to the channel, the car covered up behind me is a 1968 Carmen Ghia that hubby has completely rebuilt over the last 30 years on his own. And sometimes I feel it's just as important as I am. Hubby is a huge Washington Commanders fan, formerly known as the Washington Redskins. So anytime he gets an opportunity to display his memorabilia, he ensures it's front and center. But unfortunately, the visor was too small for his truck, so we keep it stored in here, and his plan is to use it in the Carmen Ghia when needed. Happy to find another Trapper Max glue board to replace the one I trashed earlier with the snake in it. In my opinion, they are the best non-toxic and budget-friendly way of catching rodents and insects. You can also use them flat, but hubby and I prefer to fold them because, like today, I really don't like to see what's in them. While organizing this cabinet, I had to rearrange it several times to ensure all like items were together, but I also wanted everything visible at one glance, which prevents duplicate purchases. And just like that, I'm starting on the third section of this garage. This teak bath mat was once used in our bathroom, but became a tripping hazard, so we stored it in here. And over time, we found that the step down from the door into this garage gets steeper every year. So we decided to place the teak bath mat here, which fixed the problem. Removing some of these items were a little challenging because of their weight, but with a lot of effort and lots of breaks, I was able to get it done. Also, I was trying to be careful as to not drop anything on my feet, because although this broken toe is healing well, it's still not at 100%. On this day, according to the forecast, rain is expected in a couple of hours. So my goal is to get this garage clean before it starts. I still need to clean and organize the largest of the utility cabinets, as well as remove any items from the center that I plan to place in the shed. So I am keeping that in the back of my mind as I clean and organize. Very satisfying removing all the dust, dirt, and debris from this garage, and I was surprised that I only used 3 of the Swiffer dusters. At one point, I was considering mopping or washing the floors, but decided against it because, again, I want to finish cleaning this garage before it rains. Although not shown, I did find another Trapper Max glue board to replace the one shown here, and I was happy to see only bugs in this glue board versus another stake. And while the lawn care specialist from Mr. Turf applied the herbicide, I took a nice long break and was proud of myself as to just how much work I've completed in just a few hours. Before decluttering and storing these items away, I decided to use one of hubby's towels he uses to clean the cars, along with some soapy water solution to clean the exterior of the utility cabinets and door we use to enter the garage. And I'll also use the towel and soapy water solution to deep clean the windows as well. By the way, the soapy water solution consists of a few drops of Dawn dish detergent and tap water. Doesn't look like it, I did rinse the towel often and use it to also clean the blinds. I should have sprayed the blinds with Dawn Power Wash first, because last year I did, and the blinds came out much cleaner than when I cleaned them today. Should have also used a ladder to clean these windows and blinds, because I definitely didn't clean the top. But at this point, the clouds were rolling in, which meant I needed to hurry up. So I quickly unloaded the last utility cabinet so I could clean and organize it before it rained. We do keep a larger utility cabinet in the shed, and I wish I had swapped it with this one before continuing. That way I could have stored some of the items from the center in there versus on the floor, but there's always next year. I've organized all of his car cleaning products on the top shelf and will add his car lubricants on this second shelf. And I plan to place all painting supplies on the third shelf and will store miscellaneous items on the fourth. At this point, I was getting excited because this project was coming to an end. I also received a call from the contractor we hired to complete our home renovation project we've scheduled for this summer, which consists of replacing and painting all of the hardy plank siding on the back and sides of our home. Instead of disposing of this box, I'm going to break it down and place the pieces in the storage boxes next to hubby's grill, because he uses these pieces as fire starters when warming up the grill. disposing of this water, I want to remind you of how this garage looked before as opposed to now, and I'm hoping you can see the difference. It's the next day, and Dewan is here to cover the scope of work. Hubby and I have requested a full siding replacement and painting of the new siding the same color as it is now. We've also requested the installation of hardy fascia along with the James Hardy wrap weather barrier and new finished trim to all horizontal soffit areas. And as we continued to walk the property, we also noticed that we were missing metal flashing as well as kick-out flashing. So in addition to that, we requested that light blocks, foundation vents, and cable vents are added where needed. And since they're painting the siding, we requested that they also paint the corner boards and trim, soffits, exterior front door, fascia, and garage door. And once done signing the contract, I immediately completed our Homeowners Association paperwork. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please like and hype it, subscribe if you're new, comment, and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.